Do you still have old music or audio files sitting in your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Even with a big storage capacity, it's a good idea to keep things clean and organized. Let me show you how to delete all audio files. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Settings icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care, tap Storage. In the middle section, you will see suggestions like deleting old audio files from the music folder. Tap Review Old Files. Select the audio files you don't need anymore. As you select, the Delete button turns blue and shows how much space you will free up. Tap Delete. Then confirm with Delete again to delete the selected audio files. And that's it. Now your phone stays clean and organized, leaving room for the song and files you actually enjoy. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.